Hi, this is Brian Katzung from KCSG Power Tools for Kartra at kpowertools.com. A lot of people have been asking how to remove a background image without having to recreate the asset that has the background image, since the Kartra user interface doesn't support removing the background at this time. There are a couple of options. First, you can change the image opacity to 0. For example, if you're removing the background from the section, you can come into the section settings, click on the edit, that'll bring up the section configuration. You can go to the image settings and change the opacity to 0. But that doesn't actually remove the image from the page. In fact, it will still load when the page loads. It just won't be visible. So that's the easiest option, but doesn't actually remove the image. Another option is to actually go into the HTML for the section that you want. And you can do that by right-clicking on the section. It is a control click, I believe, on Mac, and then choose Inspect. Click somewhere near the upper left corner of a section if you are editing a section, or near the beginning of whatever item it is for which you want to remove the background. It should take you pretty close to that in the inspector. In this case, you want to look for a class that says background changer and a class that says background changer overlay. You can see when I hover over content, it shows that section. When I hover over the background or the background changer overlay, that whole section should turn blue. To remove the image, you want to come to this style attribute and double click on the value. That should highlight the entire style value. We want to get rid of the background image that's here and the opacity. So while the whole style is highlighted, I can hit backspace or delete. Then I can press enter to commit that change. If the background changer overlay it either has no style, an empty style, or says background image none, you can leave it as is because that means there's no image. If there's some other value in there, you can do the same thing you did above. Double click on the style value, press backspace or delete, and press enter. Other than saving your progress or publishing the page live, that's all you need to do.